Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be deep cleaning, decluttering, and organizing my closet. This is our closet in our bedroom, and it is a complete disaster, you guys. It needed to be organized so bad. It is the new year, and it's definitely a time to just declutter some of the space in our house and our lives and just start the new year fresh. This is why this is the second episode of my home refresh series. We are going to be decluttering, so I hope you guys are either decluttering with me, or if you're hanging out and just getting some inspiration, definitely comment down below. Say hi and let me know you're here. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and just get started. So I also wanted to mention that this is also a collab with my friend Katie Satilli. We have been longtime friends here on YouTube. She has an amazing channel. She is a mama of 3. She does cooking, cleaning, vlogs, all kinds of videos. You guys are going to get tons of inspiration from her. She is also doing a declutter video, so I will have her links down below. Please go check her out after this video and show her some love. So what I'm doing here is going to go ahead and kind of start out in sections just to have it be less overwhelming. I've been feeling so intimidated about getting to this closet, and I think that's how we feel often, is we're kind of intimidated with the mess that we know we have to tackle. So I figure I'd just go ahead and start in some sections, and I started with the floor just by getting everything out and kind of picking up the trash, things that I know that need to go in the trash, just making it a little bit easier and getting it done a little bit faster. So here I just wanted to show you everything that we took out of that closet. It is super embarrassing, but we have way too much stuff in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and just work on my husband's clothes. He actually recently just decluttered a whole garbage bag full of clothes that he did donate. So what I'm doing here is just putting everything in color coordination. We have been doing that for a while, but we kind of get out of routine, and I just like doing that. We both like it a lot, so that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going to go ahead and clean off the top of my husband's side of the closet. I do have these Dollar Tree organizers here, and I just want to go through them and kind of declutter and see if we can minimize what we have in there. Let me know in the comments if your closet is a space that you do need to declutter this year. Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear, and if you've already done it, maybe if you have some tips to share with the rest of us. I feel like that would help everybody out, because I know everyone kind of does things a little bit different, and I feel like if we share more tips that can help others out, it can just make this process a lot easier and a lot smoother. I've been waiting all my life for someone. Make sure you guys are staying till the end so you can see the before and after, and I do share tons of tips and ideas throughout this video. Wasted in blue, I was out of use. So this area over here is just right when you walk into our closet. It's kind of our catch-all space, and I really hate that because it looks so messy, and I walk by it every day and I'm just like, I need to clean this up. So I want to have this organized and put in a good system where it won't become so cluttered. I am thinking about possibly putting some wallpaper in our closet, just because we have this open area that our clothes don't even fill up in that area. So I would like to put some pretty wallpaper throughout the closet just to kind of give it a little bit of a cozier look. So that is definitely something I will be doing in the near future. So I'm going to be cleaning up all the shelves because they are white. You can see a lot of dirt and dust and just like spilled products. So I'm using this Everspring. It's a non-toxic cleaner that I did get from Target, and it smells amazing. It smells like pine trees and all that good stuff. So I'm just kind of scrubbing all of the dirt and showing you guys here how much filth I got up. I love cleaning because it's so satisfying seeing the before and after. So I'm going through some of these clothes here that I had saved up for Poshmark that never sold. So I decided to go ahead and just donate them. And then I'm putting the rest of my clothes on my side where they go. This is kind of a space where I've just thrown clothes there to kind of hang dry and never putting them away on my side. So now we are going to do that. So this is the part I get really excited about. We are down to the decluttering part. I am going through my clothes and figuring out what I do not want to keep anymore. Most of these clothes I did not wear all year. So I feel like if you haven't worn something in a whole year, you've been through all your seasons, your winter clothes, your summer clothes, and you didn't wear it in like a 12-month span, that you probably should go ahead and donate it or sell it or whatever you prefer to do. So that's what I'm doing here. I did have like a top that I decided to keep because I loved it, even though I haven't worn it in a long time. But I feel like if it sparks joy, like they always say, if it does spark joy or make you happy, that you should totally go ahead and keep that piece. But I only kept one piece. The rest I decluttered if I hadn't worn it in a year. So now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on my side of the closet. It was a little intimidating because I had everything under the moon on these shelves. But what I did is go ahead and pull everything down so I can kind of sit down, go through it, figure out what I need to throw away and where I want to kind of organize everything in a better system. If you're new to my channel and this is the first time you're seeing my video, hello, my name is Lindsey and I do a lot of cleaning, decluttering, organizing, and decorating videos. I just love motivating you guys and having a community here on the internet where we can kind of come together, help each other out, give each other tips, motivate, and inspire each other. So that's what you're going to get here on this channel. And also I'm doing a home refresh series where I do all decluttering and decorating and kind of just revamping different spaces throughout my home for this new year. So if you are into that, you should definitely consider subscribing. And also go ahead and introduce yourself down in the comments so I know you were here. So I did go ahead and FaceTime my husband during his lunch break when I went through and decluttered through his shoes. He picked out ones that he no longer wore anymore and that he wanted to donate. And then the rest I just went ahead and put in these bins. So they're just kind of organized a little bit better. My goal was to not put things at the bottom of my closet like we had before. So you'll see at the end how everything turns out. So at this point, I've been decluttering all day and the sun was starting to go down, so I was trying to hurry as fast as I can. So I did get a couple of these bins from Walmart. They were super affordable. They were under $5 and they were big enough to store a lot of our things that just couldn't fit in the smaller bins that we had, like picture frames and things like that. If you're still watching, go ahead and comment down below a little eucalyptus emoji, just so I know you're still here. You guys, I am so happy I took the time to declutter this space. It feels amazing. It's a walk-in closet again. Just remember how you're gonna feel after you tackle that cluttery mess that you have been putting off for a very long time. So it feels amazing, and now everyone is happy. And if you guys enjoyed this video, got tons of inspiration from it, can you please give me a thumbs up and also share this with friends and family? It always helps out my channel. I will see all of you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.